On this episode, I'm going to be showing you 3 cool tools that are fun to use and yet very helpful, so you might want to consider putting in your tool bag. So make sure you stay tuned. Hey there friends, welcome to another cool tool review here at Fix This House. I know you friends have been enjoying these types of videos so far because based on my past videos, you guys have been liking it so much and giving me all this feedback. That's why I'm making more of these tool review videos. I'm going to be showing you 3 cool tools that you should consider having inside your tool bag, and they're fun to use as well. So let's get with the tool number 1. What I have here is a pole pruning saw. It goes up to 27 feet. Comes with this carrying case. Let's see what's inside. So here's all that stuff that comes with the kit, including the case. Comes with an extra pruning saw blade, pruning saw cover as well. 7 of these poles, 43 inches long. Yeah, I'm getting distracted because there's like a deer sitting right there just looking at me. I think it knocked down my fence too. Just take this lock pin, push it in like so. And then as you turn to twist and lock it in place, it should lock in like that. This claw will attach to this smaller pole. You can just use this as a pruning just by this length. Oh! It's a 25 feet tape measure, 27. Perfect. Put my camera on portrait mode, pop it up. Like that. And then push up. Squirrels are going crazy out here. There are certain cases where I do need that length, and I'll show you where I'm going to use it to cut, because I have a tree up there somewhere that I want to cut. I found a spot up here that's overhanging on my carport. Oh, there it is. So that was 27 feet. We got it down. Now let me go and reduce the size so we can get to more reasonable height. Somewhere like around right here. Just press this down and then twist, and you can easily minimize the length, detach it. Let's get to the pros and the cons. Let's go to the pros first. You can definitely cut 27 feet high without having to use a ladder or climb up dangerous heights to be able to reach that. Saw is very sharp. It cuts like butter. Poles are easy to connect and disconnect. Made out of lighter materials, which is good. Another thing I like about this is that it comes in the color orange. After cutting a few of those branches, you see the teeth, they are still sharp. What I like about this is it comes with an extra saw blade, and there's also an extra feature where you can get a pruning where you can attach to the end of this as well. Let's get to the cons. With 27 feet, you already saw I was quite struggling, especially if you don't have the arm strength. You might need 2 people to lift up 27 feet, or what you can do is you can start high, vertical, and attach it that way so you don't have to end up pulling it all up. So start short and start attaching it little by little. So in my honest opinion, I give this a B+, because there are certain cases where I really need this because I have a bunch of trees around my house, and this will come in handy, especially I don't want to have to use a ladder to reach those little branches that are hanging pretty low or up to 27 feet. I'm not sponsored by any of the products that I show in this video. I bought this all with my own money so we can go and create this video to help you friends out. But if you're enjoying this video so far, please kindly hit that like and subscribe button. It will greatly help out the channel. Thank you so much for your time. Let's get back to the video. This next tool that I'm going to show you is nothing new. It's been out in the market for so long, but I just want to bring it up on this video because it's so helpful and it helped me out a lot. And it's this tile and glass suction cup. And you have no idea how much this saved my back and my dad's back, being over 60 already. Sorry to specify his age, but it's helped both of us move this huge piece of glass, like what I'm going to show you here, right on here. So we started off with just buying 4 of these suction cups so that both of us have huge control on this structural glass. Now this structural glass, each one of these weighs over around 500 pounds, and it's super heavy. It's structural glass. It's not like your regular window glass that's going to be going on for your outside window. This one's specifically designed so that it is built onto the structure of your home. That's why it's so heavy. We decided to give this tile glass suction cup a try, and lo and behold, it helped us out so much because it gave us control. And if you're wondering, what's that thing underneath this glass right here? What's that thing rolling around under there? That is a dolly cart. Now, if you're interested on how I reviewed that dolly cart, I'll leave that video right here on that product because I did one. And man, it helped us so much. We're slowly moving this piece of glass. Both of this, we're both equipped with this on both sides. In order for this to work, it has to be completely flat. Make sure as much as possible, keep the area of where this is going to nice and clean and dust free to maximize the effect, and it doesn't, you know, give out on you because you are going to be using this for heavy material. That's why we got it. Even if you're just moving any type of door, if you have a door that has a nice smooth surface or any type of glass, I highly suggest that you get one of these because it works so well and it makes your job so much easier. You have better control and you have better leverage whenever you're lifting it up. But like what I do with every tool that I review on this video, we go through the pros and the cons. I'm not going to review the pros anymore because you could see it for yourself, the good advantages of having this tool. The only thing that I don't like about it is that there's a slight curve on the surface. It's not going to work. Even a slight bit of texture, maybe it can't work. Great for moving tile, and it's great for moving glass. As you go higher and higher for those more advanced suction cups, they're definitely going to be higher in price. These ones are very affordable as well. If you're interested on this, I'll leave the link on the description down below. So this next tool I'm going to show you is a very fun tool to use and inexpensive as well. And it's this dry cleaning air blaster gun. Let's go check it out. Let me show you all the features and let's get to the pros and cons afterwards. You can use it to clean out your carpet in your car, those hard to reach areas. And what makes this cool is that there's little thing here that spins where the air goes. It goes in fast circular motion, which I'll show you just like that, which creates an agitating motion. But yeah, all you gotta do is hook it up. Again, be very careful. All that dust and debris don't get in your eye. A very high pressure, high PSI. Just a simple press like this. See how fast that just rolls. Another cool thing about this, it comes with an attachment with a brush on the tip. See how that spins? You can attach this and it's that easy. Not that loud. I don't know if you could see it, but the dust is just flying out of this seat. You got a dusty dashboard? No problem. You know, these areas right here where your AC is, those are the really tough ones to get into. But with just a little bit of dust blowing there, control it. I know this area gets a ton of crumbs and dirt. The brush here is nice and soft, safe for your dashboard or whatnot. In my opinion, this thing is an A+. Let's get to the cons. The obvious part is it is powered by air, so you will need an air compressor and an air hose. Unfortunately, not everybody has an air compressor and an air hose, but the good thing is air compressors are not that expensive nowadays. You can buy a cheap pancake air compressor for cheap. You can go to Harbor Freight or you can just go to your Lowe's or Home Depot and just buy a Craftsman. That's what I'm using at the moment, and you can just go with that. It's just fun to use. I like blowing stuff here, and there's flies that are flying on my garage that I just like to blast away out of my garage. It's fun to clean other areas as well, your carpet, your rug. There's multi-purposes of this. You don't even have to use this only for your car. Let me know in the comment section what you think on this dry cleaning air blaster gun. So there you have it, friends. Those are my 3 cool tool reviews on today's video. Let me know in the comment section down below which tool is your favorite and which one you're willing to try. And if you have any of these tools that I mentioned, share in the community your feedback on the comment section down below. Now, if you have any tools that you want me to review in my future videos, leave it in the comment section down below so we can keep making these videos. Thank you so much for the love and the feedback, because all your likes and your comments are making me make more of these videos so that I can help you friends out. Now, with that being said, any tools that I mentioned on today's video, I'll leave all the quick links on the description down below. And if you found this video super helpful, friends, please hit that like, subscribe, notification bell, and I'll see you friends on the next video.